Hey, how's it going? My name is Dom and welcome to today's video where I'm going to be showing you the easiest way to install Node.js on WSL, Mac or Ubuntu systems. Now, this is done using a beautiful piece of software called Node Version Manager, or NVM for short, and I'm going to be leaving this linked down below, and I encourage you to open up that link as you watch this video. Now, this piece of software, Node Version Manager, is going to allow you to install and manage different versions of Node.js. So not only can you install Node.js, you can also switch between different versions if you wish to do so. Okay, let's jump into how to install Node.js. I'm now inside the terminal as part of WSL. So the first step is going to be to, of course, open up your terminal. Now, how do we go about installing NVM? Well, go back inside the browser here and scroll down to the install and update script section. You want to now copy the first line, okay? This right here, once pasted in the terminal, is going to install NVM. So I'll copy that, go back inside the terminal here, press Ctrl V and then hit enter, and it is going to install NVM within a couple of seconds. Once you've installed this, you now need to close and reopen your terminal. So go ahead and do that. I'll just make a new instance at the top here. Once you've got a new terminal window opened up, you can confirm your NVM installation by doing NVM and press enter, and you should get the help screen, which looks something like this. If you don't get this help screen, I encourage you to check out the GitHub page and just scroll down to the additional notes section and have a look at any troubleshooting tips that may help you out. But of course, in most situations, you're gonna see the help screen that looks just like this. Now, we are yet to actually install Node.js. So if I type in node-version, we get nothing. So how do we go about doing that? Well, we can use NVM. Let's do NVM install node. Press enter. It's now going to install the latest version of Node.js, which is currently version 19.7. Now, if I type in node-version, we're going to get the 19.7 version. What's also interesting is that if I was to type in nvm install, then say something like 16 and press enter, it is going to go ahead and install version 16. Now you can get more specific with your version numbers, for example 16.19.1 if you would like to, but the point is now we have two different versions of Node.js available on the system. If I type in nvm ls and press enter, we get those two versions right up here at the top, 16 and 19. It also shows you the currently selected version. But if I make a new tab or a new terminal window here, and I type in node-version, we're still going to get version 19, the original installation. This is because 19 is the current default. To switch defaults, I simply say nvm alias defaults, then type in 16. Press enter, and now the default is 16. If I make a new terminal window, we now get Node version 16.19.1. So that right there is the easiest way to install Node.js on your WSL, Mac or Ubuntu system.